Alright, here's the thing, guys. Don't pull fire alarms in public buildings. You can't do that. You just can't. It is not good, and you'll get in serious trouble, and the consequences are just as bad. So when you pull that alarm, it goes to the panel, then it sounds everything, then you're in trouble. So if you're sounding them for no reason, I don't know why you're doing it, but you have to stop. It has happened to me in the past when someone would pull the fire alarm for no apparent reason. Now, if there's an emergency, pull the fire alarm and grab the nearest fire extinguisher just in case, but don't pull fire alarms for fun. I've seen it in the past where they got in trouble. The kids that did it back in the days when we were in elementary school, they got suspended, they got fined, and the district was pressing charges on them. Think of that, getting suspended, paying fined, or the district or whatever presses charges on you before you go out and pull the fire alarm for no apparent reason. If you pull it, you might also be responsible for a panic. Think of that. So, this is why you should not be pulling fire alarms in public buildings unless there is an emergency. Bye.